So, this is my area, and amongst my workshop and a bunch of projects I need to finish in the workshop, I want to make a comfortable area where I can, because of the heat, I get to rest. So, using all the recycled wood in the world, I want to build a tent. But not any tent, because you can't just build a tent and complicate the universe. You build a tent using this bad boy. This shit is taller than me. But that's a piece of wood that I need to make it look something like this. See this? And then, with the least money possible, build this. Now, the cool and tricky part is, I don't know if I can do this because I don't want my parents to know. I want it to be a surprise. So, here we are. Let's get started. So, I've been cutting the wood with this profusely or whatever. Like, been cutting this took me like an hour or something. I want it to be neat and stuff, and maybe, I got these from like grandpas. They're good tools, and and I'm using this so I can remove the rust, and I did. How clean it looks. Yeah. And then I noticed that I basically want to fit this piece of wood in here. But I just realized it's not gonna complete the loop at all, because I made it the wrong side. I cut the wrong side. I meant to put that. Start finishing projects because I keep starting them and never finish them. Hey, but I'm still making videos as daily as I can, and I've taken it as a challenge, and it's not doing as well as I want. So if you like this video, support it, like and subscribe so we can make more of these videos. Yeah, and you have any suggestions on what can improve, leave in the comments below. So it's been a day and I had to put everything inside because it started raining. So, I want to get this done approximately like in this hour or two. Problem is, there's a lot of sunshine and I don't want to burn my fucking skin. So I need to be very fast. It's already burned, it just came out. And I don't have enough space to put it here because, my workshop is currently a mess, as you can see. But I do want to get this done. So, let's get started before it gets too fucking hot to handle. I got an idea to save me some sun for now. And that is using my clothes hanger to make this temporary tent to give me some shade until
no more. Did it frighten you? How we kissed when we danced on the light of floor. On the light of floor. But I hear sounds in my...
We are done from the frame, but comes the tricky part. Since my brother is injured and it's too hot, and we need to find a way to lift it up here on my own. So, I got an idea. It's not gonna be a nice one, but the plan is get a leather, this fucking leather, open it up, and then use this, tie it up, and you make an actual triangle, and then we can adjust it. Basically like a frame, but if you have no idea what I'm saying, I guess you'll see. What's the plan? Safety first. You know what's cool about this? It has these mini clips in between. It's like a gear. It looks like this big, like my hands. They clip and unlock, but it never goes and breaks. Tension is not just on these, it's on this. Bloody raining, man. This is way more dangerous than it looks. I'm having the faith on my built and these springs or whatever not to go kapoom. Moment of truth. This is kind of lifted, so I guess we'll see if it falls or not. Start. That shit hit my fucking nose like this. It holds. It holds. It holds. And it's not bent or anything. I mean, kind of. But I mean, I do need to clean it up and make it look nice. But, I cut this shit, and then I cut that, and then these. But, I think I'm happy. I love this contraption. A piece of wood. Nice. I mean, there's no way it's level, but only would actually see it. when it's like with the tent. Not bad. Just flex a little. I might add reinforcements on the back, you know. Can you see it? It doesn't flex that much. But considering to lift this on my own, and it is heavy, because it's mostly wood, I'm pretty happy. Yeah. I can't believe this works. Well, let's see that I didn't hit any wires. Yeah, now I just clean up and then we make it nice with the tent. Ooh, it's very windy. Now, I have no idea what to do, how hard to use these, but let's start sticking them here. All I need is 1 and 2. They need to go somewhere here.
So I can take you all the places that you've never been. Just you and me, making history. Tell me, was it real? Tell me, was it real? Tell me, was it real?
346 minutes later.
Look, you can see it. One string there, and another string here. I don't know if I should test the thing yet, or just call it a day. Kind of don't want to be disappointed, but I'm kind of also want to get this done. I need to see if it will survive it or not. But it was like 12 a.m. I guess let's test it. You know what? Let's fucking test it. At this point, so that ain't right. That's not the sound you want to hear. What just happened? From the fucking wall. What the fuck? The wood is coming off the fucking... I guess we can't use this. Like, look at the damage. So this tent is gonna be my nightmare. Look at the damage. Just, it's coming off the fucking walls. One screw is holding for dear life. What the fuck? How are you supposed to fix that? That's disappointing. It's not even the bend. This is holding. It's the fucking screws. This thing is shit, man. It's pulling down. I've increased the strength in this from both ways because it was flexing like shit, and found a replacement for this. Use that. Also, this thing, all I needed to do was just screw it in more. Way better, it doesn't flex at least that much. Let's go with that. This needs to be fixed because come on. But yeah, the structure thing is holding, considering there's like empty space in this. Anywho, let's fix this.
Your blades are sharpened with precision, flashing your favorite point of view. I know you're waiting in the distance, just like you always do, just like you always.
It's looking good. Let me show you.
Actually,
Fuck. So, this is very disappointing. I was ready to literally be done with this. I closed the video. And then I just ripped it from the wall, even though I literally increased the strength on the joints. And because I increased the strength, I tightened these further, and it worked. But because I increased the strength and then flex, it straight up ripped off the thing. Now, I'm gonna put cement and the toughest glue I got. Basically, this can do bloody miracles. I've stuck tablets, televisions, yeah, all the sorts. And I'm gonna mix it with cement and hope it works like a sealer by sealing these in. Now, if that doesn't work, I have no clue what to do anymore. But I want this done. We're this close to making a barbecue with the tent. This close. As fuck, but it's finished. Leave it a night, and then I guess, look at the drops. Like, if it survives, it's the end of the video. If it's not, then fuck. Let everything dry off, and hopefully it goes well, because the wood from this side is good, but from this side it's wet and weak. Like, look, it just went kaboom with the water. So yeah, this works. And there's kind of some weird tension for some reason, but on the other hand, yeah, it's sick. Look how cool. I mean, it needs to dry off, but yeah. With all of these, let's hope for the best.